So para sa mga self-employed, turuan ko kayo kung paano mag-file ng SSS Maternity Benefits. So I'll be using SSS Maternity Benefits Calculator.com and sundan nyo lang ako if you want. Punta lang kayo dito sa site, and for step number 1, select nyo lang, or since ang gagawin natin is for self-employed, select ko yung self-employed. And then for maternity case, select nyo lang kung ano yung applicable sa inyo. But I'll be doing normal delivery or CS delivery. And then for expected due date, kung ano yung EDD nyo, yun yung ilagay nyo, or kung kailan kayo manganganak. So let's say for example, March 2026 yung ilalagay ko. And then click nyo lang yung show qualifying period. Nalabas dito yung qualifying period. Ito yung pinaka-importante dito ha. So ito dapat yung mga months na meron kayong hulog. So October 2024 to September 2025. So you need to have at least 3 months posted contribution para mag-qualified kayo. Ibig sabihin ng posted contribution, hindi dapat siya late payment. Right? So let's say for example, sample lang to ha, kung ano yung contribution na hinulog nyo, yun dapat yung ilalagay nyo dito. So paano nyo siya ma-check? Punta lang kayo sa my.sss account nyo, and then punta kayo doon sa contribution, makikita nyo kung magkano yung mga hinulog nyo kada buwan. So mag-start kayo kung ano yung nandito sa lalabas sa qualifying period nyo. Yan. So let's say, and then calculate. So ito yung estimate na lumabas based dun sa contribution na nilagay ko. Na-adjust siya based sa contribution table. So nung 2024, 14% yung MSC or for total contribution, and then nag-increase siya ng 15%. Yan. And for step number 5, yan, kung nakapag-file na ba kayo ng Mat 1. So for Mat 1, meron dito mga questions. So you have to check lang kung ano yung applicable sa inyo. This is case-to-case basis. Kung ano yung case nyo, yun dapat yung susundin nyo. So yes, I already filed Mat 1. And then again, there's another follow-up question. Yes, I have confirmation or proof. Or kung halimbawa wala pa, ayan, click nyo lang siya. Meron ditong action or mga explanation or next to do na kailangan mo lang i-follow. Right? So, balik tayo dito. So, yes, I have confirmation or proof. And then, next step is number 6, which is DAM or yung bank account mo or yung disbursement account. So, kung halimbawa wala ka pang na-enrolled, or kung meron na, ayan, so piliin mo lang dito kung ano yung applicable sa inyo. So let's say for example, yes, I have an approved TAM account, and then there's a follow-up question dito. Match ba siya doon sa SSS details mo and your bank details or your mode of receiving benefits or account? Or kung may mismatch, yan, ito yung mga next action na kailangan mong sundin or gawin. So let's say I enrolled but still pending. So there's an explanation dito or next to do or kung ano yung gagawin mo. So basahin mo lang kung ano yung mag-a-appear dito. Kung halimbawa naman, no, I don't have one yet, then you need to enroll. So meron ditong next action to do. So let's say, yes, I have approved TAM. And for, yan, kunwari na match siya. And then for step number 7, yung checklist natin or yung Mat 2. Ito, magpa-file lang kayo na ito after nyong manganak. So this is checklist lang ha. So you need, ano lang to, in preparation for submission ng Mat 2. So kailangan ito yung i-ready nyo after nyong manganak. Yung LCR nyo or yung PSA nyo, and then yung LCR or 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 AR or yung resibo ng PSA nyo. So, yun. Kung may mga, if ever na nag-file na kayo ng Mat 2 and may mga iba pang hinihingi sa inyo si SSS, then you just have to provide it lang. And then I also added here yung mga PhilHealth requirements. This is also very helpful kung halimbawa mga anak kayo sa mga PhilHealth accredited na hospital, clinics, or mga lying-ins. You can still get discount or some are wala silang binabayaran. Basta you have requirements or qualification. So, ayan. So, para sa mga gusto magpa-compute or estimate ng kanilang SSS Matben, comment lang your EDD and your month contribution, or for self-computation, you can go to sssmaternitybbenefitscalculator.com. And by the way, if you need extra fund, I have a referral link dito. Click nyo lang to apply for Union Bank credit card and madadirect kayo kay Union Bank. So wala tayong commitment dito whether you're approved or not. Pwede kayo mag-fill up. This is very helpful in case you need extra fund for after, let's say, after birth or during birth or after delivery.